Yes, this is broadcasting. Let's see if it shows up on here. Let's turn the music down now. There we go. Oh, looks okay. It's a bit stupid. Yes, this is broadcasting. Let's see if it shows up on here. Let's turn the music down now. There we go. Let's mute. And now just see what it looks like in big screen. Oh, yuck. That's alright. It's because probably running at 240p or whatever. That's okay. And then full size, yeah. That works okay. I'll come back and test it later. But yeah, so it's good enough for now. So what I'm going to do, actually I might as well just roll straight into this one. I'm going to test out this, I don't know, I'm playing around with a lot of artificial intelligence, machine learning bollocks, and don't need that. And I don't know. I've watched 100 of these stupid things to make money with AI, blah blah blah. But you know, whether or not that's possible, that's not sort of the end goal. But I just want to try out some more of these things. You know, a lot of them were, oh, go on Etsy, and then Etsy is like, no, we're saturated, and then, oh, look, make just faceless YouTube tutorial things, and everyone knows straight away is that it's just like, welcome to my channel. The technology is almost there, but not quite. Anyway, but I can't remember why I flagged this one to rewatch later. And there's my old home. Keep that in the background because I just want to get back. So let's just play through this. It's only a 17-minute video, but you know, it's obviously sped up to each step. Like each minute might take an hour to do. But I'm going to put aside a couple hours, or at least 1 hour to start with, just to see how far we get. So let's go. Oh, shit. Just test it.
Yep, that could be you after watching
God,
this
I hate
video.
that.
Driving in your dream car while knowing you are making money while driving.
I've already had my dream car.
And how are you doing? In this video, I am going to show you a side hustle that has the potential to make you over $1,000
720p
every single day in passive income. I am going to show you how you can do it by using AI. That means it requires almost no effort to do this. Alongside that, I will show you people doing it in real life right now. And I'm going to reveal to you step by step how you can do that too. So from now on, just follow my lead and copy what I do, and by the end of this video you are all set to start earning money. Are you ready? Let's go. So first I want to show you real life examples of people using the same method that I'm about to show you. Here I found this blog where they show successful bloggers using
yeah, blah blah. Let's get to the
it goes
toot.
up to number 20. It's making list one in the books to show how wrong these people won. I thought you said it would be easy. No worries.
Hang on, step one, we'll need what?
People will say it's outdated and it doesn't work. But believe me, I am going to show how wrong these people are and how you can make it work today. So let's start with step one. To complete step one, we will need to create a website. What?
Oh, okay.
We're going to build an entire website right now. I thought you said it would be easy. No worries. To build these websites, you need zero skills. It's all just copy and paste. There are two websites that provide you with ready-to-use websites. The first one is Medium. Here you can get a website for free, and all you need to do is just copy and paste. And the second website is Google Sites. Here you can also create your website for free just by copying and pasting. The only difference between these two is the way your website will look in the end. The website appearance, so to say. I will show you these two sites so you can decide for yourself.
Let's skip that because I'll set one up now because that's sort of what I do. That's the easy part for me. Alright, so if we go to, let's make some space here. I think my computer's chugging. I'm running on like 3 monitors and a whole bunch of video stuff at the moment. This tiny little laptop is not meant for that. So what I'm looking for, I haven't played with it for a couple of weeks now. Scheisse. Right, GitHub. It's over here. So I'm just going to add it to Daz's Astro, and I'll fork it out later, if necessary. So let's just open in Visual Studio. So this can, oops, Daisy, that can go over there. Let's bring this bad boy up here. I think we can do this in 3 rows, really. I don't think Linux Mint automatically does that, but that's alright, we can figure this out. I'm gonna just leave that in the background and minimized. Yeah, don't need Copilot right now. Alright, so let's just see where we were here. Just make sure we've got all the latest stuff, because I've travelled across the country since I last did this, and yeah, don't remember what we were doing. What's this, errors? Alright, looks all good. So if we just npm run dev, and I shall use not sure you'd use Microsoft Edge, or I'll go Google Chrome. So we'll chuck this over here and bring it. Ugh, yuck. Okay, yep, that should be fine. I'll just have to do this manually for now. So one thing I liked about the latest Windows 11 update, really easy to set your own things, especially on super wide monitors like this, where you get basically 3 sort of desktops. So I'm going to bring this over, and then we can chuck these over, and they dock into each other quite easily. But this is like, Linux Mint has just stepped up its game really well in the last year. Like this was a lot harder just a year ago. Okay, so what are we on here? That's oh, great. Localhost 4321. Alright, there we go. We got a static website. Damn. Easy. I can't remember what the details were on this website, what I was doing. Oh, that's right, it's just using MDoc, so Markdown. And it's got an admin UI, which is based in GitHub. Is this still going to work, actually? Oh yeah, log in with GitHub. Cool. Actually, I don't need to do that. No, I'm not going to do that on this one, because we're not going to be playing with static pages. Sorry, with like the Markdown stuff. This is all the content stuff is for someone else I was building something out with. So anyway, let's just go back here, get rid of this, drop this down, zoom that out. Let's go a little bit fatter, and well, a little bit over this way. I reckon that should be good. So we've made a website. I won't go any further now. We'll just get back on this too.
The most. And by the way, all the links will be in the description. So let's start by using Google Sites. Click on the plus icon. Next.
Which
is at the top of the. I always like the most searched and use these websites. Best trending topics. Well, we can use Google Trends and Google News. These websites provide the best trending topics you can talk about, since it is updated every hour. So let's check out Google Trends first. Just go to Trending Now, which is at the top of the page. Here are the most searched and
Alright. Now I had issues with pretty much all of the browsers I was using. They weren't automatically flushing. No, I don't want Google Calendar. Fuck off. See, they don't automatically flush. Even Brave doesn't. History, just go. Just go. Ugh. No. Never. Like, hang on, what's the options? The top sites, bookmarks? No. I don't want any of that. This is why I'm using Brave. Don't want bookmarks. Do not want news. New tab page. Sorry, I should have done this before, but I had some issues with it. Like last week, I didn't realise that Chrome has stopped the ability to automatically flush everything when you leave. It's just like weird now. Allow privacy, yes. Automatically send. No! Stop fucking sending stuff. Clear browsing data. Do this automatically. All time. Oh, here we go. It's got an on exit. Beautiful. Everything. Alright, let's just see if that took. Oh, gotta go. So, on exit. Everything. Fucking hell. This is what bugs me. Like, it's ambiguous as to whether it's actually going to do it. Right, on exit is sat there. Cool. So I guess that other one only did it do last hour all time? Everything. Yeah, browsing history 10 items. Clear. Right, all time, everything is gone. This is a completely clean install. As far as I can tell. So if I open a new tab, yep. If I just start typing anything, yep. Nothing comes up. Beautiful. Alright, we're getting somewhere. So, you know what? In that case, I'm going to use this as my test bed. Get rid of Astro. Sorry, get rid of whatever. What was I going to do? That's right, we're following the thing. Go to trends.google or something. Please don't show my IP or anything.
Trending topics on Google. For example, this one has 50,000. Or this one has over 1 million searches just today. Now let's check out Google News. Here we can find all relevant and trending news articles from the past few hours. You can even sift through different categories and find the topic you like most. I always like to use the technology category. So now we're just going to one of these articles. Like this one, for example. Does the iPhone 15 break easily? Now copy the title and paste it into Google Docs. Now we have a topic for our...
Okay, so we need Google Docs open as well. A little bit reticent to bring that up on my thing, but do what shall wilt. I might get rid of this. It's beautiful. Oh, yeah, no, it's chunking my system. Alright, so new Google Doc. I'm just going to follow his actual stuff. So, got a new Google Doc down here. Looks good. Let's bring it up a little bit. Alright, iPhone. Let's because I know Galaxy stuff. So that's the Samsung Galaxy. Well, I'm using S7, so at least I know what I'm talking about. Break easily.
article. Google Docs, in this case, just serves as a place for us where we can easily copy and paste things temporarily. And for the next step, if you want to see more content...
What's going on here? Oh, they're connected. You gotta get yourself connected. Right hands on the wall. Let's disconnect. Thank you. This is pretty nifty though. Oh yeah, actually that is really good. But stupid YouTube has to have all this stuff. Or Firefox anyway. That's right. Should be able to fix it.
Like this on how you can make money online. Make sure you subscribe to the channel.
So yeah. Well, keep going.
Given a specific topic. And the other involves ChatGPT. Normally using ChatGPT for this can be quite hard to do, but I am going to show you a Chrome extension that you have to add so that you can access the web with
not sure about that.
ChatGPT and have pre-made prompts ready to be used. But let's first check out WriteSonic. It is free to use and is a really amazing AI tool. So sign up with your email or just connect your Google account. I already have an account here, so I'm going to sign in here. Now here we're going to...
What is it? WriteSonic? I'm dubious on all these new ones because I've already got Poe. Okay, let's see why it's WriteSonic is necessary.
AI Article Writer 5.0. Next, we will have to copy and paste our topic into...
Okay, let's try this out. I've already used Poe pretty extensively. No, fucking hate having the thing come up there. So if I put in, right, so what's he saying? So we got a whole bunch of different bots here. I'm pretty sure I can put in an article writer because I've made my own bots as well. Article bot. There we go. How's that?
WriteSonic, like this, and then click Search Articles. Select an article that
What do you
suits
mean,
the best
search articles? Oh, right.
and then click Next. And then
Oh, this is
click
just going to copy
Generate
someone
article.
else's.
And then click Confirm. Now an entire blog post about the iPhone 15 and its durability.
I don't think I'm going to follow him exactly, so...
Quite impressive to say the least. Next, we have to copy all the text and paste it into our Google Docs file so we can use it later.
Alright, so why do we put it into Google Docs? So let's just pull this over here and do this over here because I reckon I've actually got you can put you can put the GPT extension into this as well. Yeah, GPT for Sheets and Docs. I mean, this is only sort of started recently as well, so let's just put that in there as well. We're just gonna break everything, man. Alright. Actually, let's see what this can do. So custom prompts. Alright, so you got it. Yeah, I've got good prompts for writing articles and stuff, but we'll just go with whatever that article writer come up with.
Now I will show you how you can do it with ChatGPT. Before we can use ChatGPT, we will have to, like I said, add an extension. So search for WebChat GPT extension, or just click the link in the description. Now click Add to Chrome to install it. This extension will allow us to have internet access with ChatGPT so we get the most up-to-date and relevant information. Next to that, it also gives us one-click prompts.
Well, this is from
These are
2016,
amazing
so
commands that will level up your ChatGPT game instantly.
I'll keep this in
Let's
mind,
take a
but I
look.
won't use it right now.
If you turn on the web access this way, you will get the ChatGPT 4 experience for free and get real-time data from the internet. That is just amazing. And if we turn on the one-click prompts, there are a myriad of different prompts you can use. For
Surely
example,
you've got to use your own
read
API
journal
for
prompt
that, though.
generator, or compose an entire book with one click. And be sure that you have the web access turned on. Now to write our blog, we are going to choose the SEO optimized article with 100% unique human written style prompt. Now for the language, we are going to leave it at English. But look, you can also change it to many. Now for the write-up is give it a topic. So let's paste our topic we selected in here.
So
And then click
what was the point of the
Run
other
this
bit?
prompt. Look at that. There it is. Let's copy it again and paste it into our Google Docs file. So for this video, I'm going to post the Write Sonic article on Medium, and I will copy and paste and go to Medium. Let's edit. Now before we go this way, you also can compare the two and determine which one you like the most. So in Google Sites, we have to click on text box first, and then we can paste the article in there. Let's copy the title and put it on top of the site. Here you can adjust the size, choose a different color, and customize the font type. Now I will remove a lot of text boxes and then paste each section of the article
Let's go a
in a
bit
new text
faster.
box. Now it's all nice and organized. Now the main difference between Google Sites and Medium is also the way you can customize your website. First you have to write a
Oh man.
get link.
Okay.
Amazon affiliate link and paste it in there. This way our ad copy is clickable. Let's copy the entire clickable ad copy and paste it somewhere. And like I said before, when you get someone to perform a certain action, like completing a survey, or leaving behind their email address for the offer that you are promoting, it is, look, this one. It will pay us $5. That's it.
Okay, the rest is just
Here
affiliate
we
marketing.
generate our own
Marketing.
personal Google Sheets.
Okay, I thought
Now
there
copy that
was
link
we were
and
going
paste it
somewhere
into
with this.
Google Docs.
I must have
Now
been
this link looks way better.
tired or
It will be way
drunk
more
or
likely to click
both
on
when
it.
I
Now I will show you how we can implement it on our blog. So
thought
let's
this
go
might
to
be a good
Medium.
idea.
And now we're going to
Yeah, and this is all just standard stuff.
about traffic. Because we want to get a lot
Alright,
of
bye bye. So anyway, let's just do some stuff. While we're here, I got it's time. Yeah, I got half hour to kill. So what we want to do here is actually I want to go back to my. We don't need Google Trends now. So I just want to see how this chat thing here might So please convert to Markdown. Why does it have to write it out one at a time again? Wow, this is really slow. How do I download the Markdown? Alright, let's try. So if we go in here, we'll actually just add it as a new a new post. So a new file. Alright, so we just put a title up there and then we'll do all the rest of this stuff. Yep, so title, boom, easy. So and we'll just call this Samsung S7.mdoc title we'll put in there in a bit. We'll just copy and paste all this. Alright, it is. I think that is Markdown. Let's have a look. Yeah, that looks about right. So preview. That's not a preview. That's right. So if we do that, and then we'll go back to where's this thing here? Whoops. Did I lose my Brave? So I had to turn my head around. Alright. Fucking remembered the fucking last place I was on. That is so annoying. So if I go to history, let's have a look, see if it's kept the history. No, it's just kept the most recent tab. That's alright, it's better than nothing, but fuck, that's still annoying. So local hosts 4321, whoops, cool. Content from match, it's not match schema. What have I done? String received null. What is that? Oh, title. Alright, cool. There we go. It's already added there. Bam. Does the Samsung Galaxy S7 break easily? Durability, blah blah blah. Let's look. I mean, as far as what the fuck is that? Oh, that's Marvin the Martian shoes or something. It just goes back to it's just in the standard footer. It just goes back to the homepage. So yeah, cool. We got. Actually, really liked Astro. I forgot how good this is till I was playing with it last week. Okay, so anyway, that was a very easy way to just bust out a simple article. So let's just check whether this is going to show up in real time at the thing. Right, so there's the... I'm not sure about how it does this this types generation stuff, whether that's suitable or whether you have to modify this or cannot modify. Anyway, so there's the thing we just did. Testing AIML. Generating crappy article. So before we push, go to have a look at it on GitHub. So it's currently at mayfair.g0wtf. Yep. So here's the current one that's there, and it should be super fast. Yep. Sweet. That's great. So now if I push, that, and GitHub, we'll just push this through to the origin, back up to GitHub, and then it should do a rebuild. Alright, so let's refresh this. Right, so it's rebuilding now. So the changes, yeah, it's fine. How do I see it? Oh, there we go. Vercel. So it's deploying to Vercel. Currently building. Done all the checks. Deployment complete. Done. So now if I reload this, there it is. So now this is out in the wild, and yep, article is posted. It's good to go. Sweet. Anyway, that's pretty much the most basic part of all this. It's actually making a real article out of it. But I wouldn't just trust ChatGPT to do all this. Like, I'd have to still go back and say, oh yeah. So the point of it for me isn't for creating stuff on the blind and all that sort of gear and just generating SEO bollocks. It's more like it's going to come up with a whole bunch of stuff that for me to go, oh yeah, that's a good idea to include as a feature, and then I sort of go through and go, oh, is this true? Let's see, look, alright, so Galaxy S7 IP68 certified, let's double check this to make sure, like, citation needed. Alright, so yep, that's from the horse's mouth, so I'm going to trust that at a glance. So yep, okay, cool, that's pretty good. Impact. So I would just go through each of these and make sure that they're factually fairly accurate. Maybe leave in one blinding mistake so someone comes in and goes, well, actually, screen fragility, individual usage patterns, yeah, that's all cool. So what else can we do with this? We don't need that. Oh, there we go. It's good enough. So now what can we do here? Change the tone to... it doesn't need to be changed. I'm not really sure there's anything to do here. So, what model settings we got? Oh. Marketing experts. Actually, that's what I wanted to check. So this is what came from the title on the Poe article bot, right? So that's where that came from. So now we haven't used this here. What I want to do is, what we need is, where's my Brave? So actually, you know what? I've already got one saved. I'm going to take this off to a different screen. I don't know if this is going to work in this one, so change the tone to custom prompt, put that in there. It should be right. So use selection of document as context. So what one do is insert at insert tag. I'll put the insert tag here and we'll just put in a... what was the shorthand for doing that? Just the long fat line. Whatever, figure it out later. So we'll just insert at the insert tag, so we add the tag here. Is that working? I think it is. Nope. Alright, cool. So when I select that, I've got those rules, custom instructions. I want it to be a copywriter. GPT 3.5 Turbo 16K. Poof. Sounds like a computer from 1998. Temperature, yeah, want it to be fairly low. Presence, yep, that's so sure will be good. Cool. Alright, let's go. It'll take probably 30 seconds or something, I guess. Here we go. Thinking that's still what? Is it not done? To answer the question of the breaks easily, we need to consider a few factors. Alright. Durability test, user experience, user reviews, based on these factors, response, blah blah blah. Yeah, no, I don't want this to be... No. I don't want it to be like I'm a guru and I want you to... I want you to write an article. Oh, that's right, no. Okay, those are actually there because they're part of the part of my thing, which I stole. Carefully provide accurate, factual, nuanced answers and a brilliant reasoning process. Part 1. Okay. Response. Further. Let's go 666. Should what's the word? Whatever. It'll figure it out. Not sure why it's using XML tags. Don't need that, but I'll fix that later. I just want to try this to be fairly accurate. I don't think this one's capable of thinking. So I might have to go for the ChatGPT 4 model, which accesses the interwebs or something. I know there's better ways around it. So I'll have to look at whether I do that or spend another month worth of it's like $20 US, but I could probably spend 6 hours looking for ways around it and then still be hit with limits. Alright. Any advice for Alright, so let's just see if I look these up. Actually, I'm really trying to do this. Define. Where's there should just be a search for. Yeah, see, I don't want a dictionary. I want a fucking search for that. Right? I have to copy and paste and go. Alright, that looks like it's probably the right one, but also that's the here we go. Android Authority. So I can probably set up a thing for it to go out and fetch those links for me automatically, but we'll do that another time. I don't know. Well, it might not. Doesn't even list durability or durable anyway. Don't know if it's hallucinating that or not. Okay, it's fine. Fine. Figure that out later. Okay, let's go for a tech writer. I mean, overall, it's a fine article. Like, you know, you could a little bit of dicking around, and you could do that just fine. Actually, I reckon I must have looked up the wrong one, because there was one that was just a couple days ago, and yeah, I was pretty bleary-eyed when I was watching it, but he was doing really good prompts to sort of say, okay, now, modify the current one, but add a hero image, and then add some stuff at the top which summarizes the whole article for people who just want that, and then you also want the bit where, say, let's open the previous thing, where you have a summary within, which designed for Google to go and pick up, like this snippet, so that your result is more likely to be in there. Because snippets they've been around for nearly 10 years, I think, but only been the last 5 or so years that they've started to come into their own, and even only the last 2 years that Google's pushed it all the way to the top. So if you've got a really good just out, like, tiny little bit of text which explains the entirety of their user's intent in one chunk, then Google will choose to show your shit here, and that's just a really pretty powerful newish part of the whole SEO thing. All right, I think that's about it for this one. I don't really care to delve too much deeper on this one. I'll find out that other one that was going through the details of formatting and stuff, because that's what I actually dislike. I'm actually fine with writing the articles myself. That's where because that's where I put my own pizzazz. So this is all kind of dry sort of stuff. So I'd rewrite it in my tone. So if I can start telling them how to use Ashtone, then that'll be great. Until then, the stuff that I really dislike doing is figuring out, putting things up here, boxes, tables, a comparison table, and blah blah blah. Like I get really bored of that, but that's what the machine is really good at. So anyway, yeah, I'm going to leave that for now. The point being is that's how quick and easy it is to just put up a brand new website and a whole new article, which is reasonable. Not great, but oh well. Bye bye.